Camping tips for stupids. Tip number 53. We are all God's beautiful and wondrous creations from exactly 4,000 years ago. We are all mortal and susceptible to sickness, except Superman, who's an illegal alien and needs to be dealt with. I demand to see his birth certificates, damn it. Anyway, as mortal god creature things that poop, we are therefore susceptible to illnesses like the flu, bronchitis, diarrhea, libtardism, super evil AIDS 2, the desolation of AIDS smog, and of course, the common cold. Catching a cold while out camping is one of the crappiest things that can happen to ruin your trip. That and slipping in bear shit, sledding down into a river, being dragged for miles downstream, and ending up in the ocean, and being rescued by Somali pirates, and then made king of said Somali pirates, and having to live that life and give up camping because of responsibilities of the crown, unquote. That shit sucks too. But we're talking about colds. So how do you keep from getting sick out in the woods? Here are a few tips and tricks on how. 1. Don't be weak. Take your vitamins and eat well. Don't be a vegan liberal. 2. Wear appropriate clothing for the weather and keep dry. 3. Kidnap Superman, steal his blood, and create a retrovirus that makes us all into immortal gods that will live forever. Or 1, 2. This has been Camping Tips for Stupids. Remember to spay and neuter your idiot population.